What's up, y'all? My name is Shaylanice and thank you for watching. Today's video is all about Patterns blow dryer. Yes, Patterns blow dryer. Do y'all see it? Okay, so I am using the diffuser attachment in today's video. So if you want to see and hear my thoughts about the blow dryer, keep watching this video. This is the end result of using the diffuser. I pulled my hair in a puff. So keep watching and yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so here's all the goodies that I got from Ulta. I got this travel kit that has the cleansing shampoo, intensive conditioner, and the leave-in. Then I have a hair pick, a spray bottle, which I've already been using. I have another kit. So this is the mini stylers with the curl gel, stronghold gel, styling cream, and the hydrating mist. So I have used the styling cream and a hydrating mist, but I haven't used the gel or the curl gel before. And I have a sample of the detangling nectar, which is my favorite. And then I have the jojoba oil blend, the self-heating packs. I always wanted to try that, so I got that. Let me see. I just got some hair clips. And I think that's it. I also got a scalp serum, so let me show y'all that. Here's the scalp serum that I also bought that I have been using. I love how it feels for my hair. So yeah, so let me show y'all what I'll be using to wash my hair, and then we're gonna get right to the blow dryer. Before I wash my hair, I'm going to add this transition mask into my hair while I shower and all that good stuff, and then I'm going to use the shampoo and intensive conditioner. I'm going to use the hydration one, and I have a sample packet of the intensive, so I'm just going to use this up. So that is how I am going to wash my hair. And you've seen videos of me washing my hair on my channel if you want to go through past videos, but it's like the same process, so I don't need to show that step. So yeah, so next is the blow dryer. Okay, so I am opening it up. I love the presentation. Oh my gosh. So this is the blow dryer. It has 4 attachments: the wide tooth comb, the diffuser, a concentrated like brush, and then it has the concentrated nozzle. So yes, I just want to hold it in my hands first. Wow. First of all, I love this color. It's so pretty. Okay, so let's get into it. So yeah. Okay, so I am done washing my hair, and I'm not sweating, y'all, but I really like slather myself in moisturizer. So it's a little bit of the water, a little bit of my oil and sunscreen and all that stuff. But here is my hair. There's no product added to it. This is how it looks using all of Patterns products. So the next step is to use the detangling nectar, the curl gel, and then I have a mousse that I'm going to like pair it all up with. The mousse is not by Pattern, so we'll see how that works with see how well it works with Pattern products. So you see a little bit of my curl pattern. So yeah, so I'm just going to detangle my hair, and then it's time for the diffuser. so after 11 minutes diffusing my hair, I would say my hair is about, honestly, 95% dry. I have never felt the need to have my hair as is, like in this type of setting. I always felt like I needed to manipulate my hair and do a twist out or a 3-strand twist to like make it look like something. So this is really me stepping out of my comfort zone to just have my hair as is in this fro. So it's gonna take some getting used to, because this is a new way for me to embrace my hair. So I am using Pattern's jojoba oil just to put a little shine into my hair. Not too much. And I'm really like focusing on my scalp than any part else of my hair. And so I also am going to use the hair pick to just stretch out my hair a little bit and really like shape the fro. All right, so I'm like pulling and stretching, and see how crazy like this texture is up the front. It's a little loose, and then you really see the curl pattern in the back, and then like in the middle it's like that thickness is very dense. And so I will say this is like a accurate depiction of how the diffuser works for tight textured hair. Now I have 3 other attachments that I have yet to use, so I may do more videos with this blow dryer to see all that my hair can do. So if you like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and until next time, see ya. I'm back. Scratch whatever I just said. So I forgot that I actually have a work meeting, so I want to contain my hair a little bit, so I do have a headband that's cut in half so I could pull it up into a bun. So I have Patterns. I think this is their shower brush, but I use it as a regular brush. So I'm just going to add a little bit more moisture. So I'm using the hydrating mist, and then this is my first time using a strong gel, so I can like for my edges. So that is what I'm about to do. Just bring back some moisture with the hydrating mist, and then I'm gonna just pull it all up. Okay, y'all, so that is the end of this video. At first, in the beginning, I was thinking of just having my hair in its natural state as an afro after I diffuse it, but then I realized I wanted it more contained because I do have a meeting that's work related. So And so I was like, okay, either option is fine, but for me, I just wanted to pull up in a puff, and most of the time my hair is in a puff. So it was nice to see how well all of Pattern's products work perfectly together. I give the blow dryer 10 out of 10. This is my first time ever using a diffuser, like, period. So I really liked how fast the heat, how fast my hair dried. And I would definitely recommend this blow dryer. I have 3 other attachments to use, so I'm sure I'll make more videos. But yeah, I would give this 10 out of 10, the experience from start to finish. I use all of Pattern's products that's highlighted, except for a mousse, a foaming mousse, from another company. So if you like this video and you want to see more, or you need me to follow up with questions that you may have, because my hair texture is tight textured in its truest form, go ahead and drop those comments below. And yeah, once again, my name is Shayla Nisa, and thank you for watching.